This video is not going to be super high retention editing video. This is probably one of the most impactful videos I have created on my channel. And this video is going to be about a very important topic, which is AI maturity benchmark or AI maturity roadmap for digital marketers, for business owners, and for digital marketing agencies. In short, I see a lot of people worried about our future as digital marketers. I think we are fundamentally wrong when we say, okay, I as a digital marketer, what tools should I learn so that AI doesn't replace me? The better approach is, what do I do with AI tools? And then based on that, okay, what is the best tool to do that? Last few weeks, I have been creating certain videos and checking capabilities of these AI tools. With ChatGPT 5, I created a replica of Lightroom. I'm creating a media planner which does better media plans than me. On Udemy, on my website, I have more than 150,000 students who purchased our courses and who learned something from me. Most of them look at me as kind of a guide or mentor. So I thought that it's my responsibility to kind of work on something like AI maturity benchmark or roadmap. And I spent last 5 days working extensively on this roadmap, and I'm going to share it with you. Probably initially, at least, it will be completely free. So basically this video will help you, or this tool will help you to kind of understand how should we act, and it will give you a roadmap. It will give you actionable insights. You can download it, you can use it, you can create your own using this as kind of a baseline and improve it if you want to. So basically this is the tool. I'll show you how to download it, how to use it on your computer. It's kind of an evaluation tool. You have to answer certain questions in each of these sections. Let's say, for example, leadership and vision. Now, you might be a freelancer and this section might not be basically useful for you. Like, is there an AI vision roadmap documented? Is leadership trained in AI trends? You can leave this. Now, but the most important section in this is this AI in digital marketing operations. This is for everyone, whether you're a freelancer, you're an agency, business owner, you're a chief marketing officer, you're a marketing manager for a brand, and you can leave if anything is not applicable to you and you will not be evaluated on. And once you answer all these questions, then you basically calculate a score. How ready are you? It will give you some actionable items that what should be your next steps. So here is how it works. So for example, let me go to talent and skills section. Okay, these are just 8 questions. I'll click on toggle. I'll come here. By default, not applicable will be selected. That means this question will not be used to calculate your AI maturity. For example, here it says, are marketing teams trained in AI tools? Example, we provide quarterly ChatGPT and Mid-Journey training to our teams, because this section is all about talent and skills, how you are managing that, because all of this is important. Being AI proof is not just about which tools do you use. It's about whether you're training your team, what is your leadership thinking about, what kind of approach do they have towards AI, data infrastructure, and then digital marketing operations. Let's go through these first. Okay, we do it aggressively, then your answer would be 2. Yeah, sometimes on ad hoc basis we do these kind of trainings, then it'll be partial, will be like 1. If you do not do it at all, your answer would be kind of 0. So let's say partial, whatever. Do you have in-house AI specialists? For example, we employ a data scientist to support marketing. This can be one of the answers. So yeah, we do. So we hire specialists. Is AI training part of your onboarding? New hires are trained on AI in their first month. So you say, okay, yeah, introduction for 1 hour session. Then you say, okay, partially we do. But if it's like they have to attend a 1 day or 2 day workshop on AI, then your answer would be 2. So similarly, basically you have to say, it's not just yes or no. It's like there's a partial option as well. Do sales and marketing train together on AI? Are there incentives for AI innovation? Is AI literacy in performance reviews? Do you have access to tutorials or playbooks? Is there an AI best practices repository? But before we dive into this section, which is AI in digital marketing options, and I show you, download this tool and use it or create your own. Before that, I want to take a minute and thank you, the sponsor of this video, which is Omnisend. Omnisend is my top recommended email marketing and SMS marketing solution. I've been using Omnisend for a few years and I absolutely love the tool. Once you start using Omnisend, the one thing you are definitely going to love about this tool is it's very intuitive and user-friendly. And advertisers who use Omniscient make a ROAS of 6,800% on average. And thanks to the tons of automations and templates which are ready to use within the platform. Omniscient also connects to all major e-commerce platforms with a single click. The best part is if you want to migrate to Omniscient, they have live support available 24/7 to make the migration process a breeze. For customers that qualify for a customer success manager, personal onboarding and dedicated migration support are also available. You will also get a complete free trial until you have 250 customers if you register from the link in the description below. Also, you'll get a 30% discount on the first 3 months if you decide to subscribe to a paid plan from the link in the description below. So back to our AI marketing benchmarking. Now, if you look here, this section is the longest, which is AI in digital marketing operations, which has 37 questions. Now, if you look at the questions, this gives you an idea that what are the things you should look at. And anyways, we are going to get recommendations and I'll show you how to get the best recommendations. So I'll say, do you use AI for marketing trend analysis? I will say, for example, we use ChatGPT to summarize industry trend reports. I mean, when it comes to market trend analysis, we do partially, for example, let's assume. Do you use AI for competitor analysis? We use tools like SimilarWeb AI for competitor traffic insights. Or let's say, for example, with ChatGPT or whatever. But let's say we use it a lot. Say yes. 2. Do you use AI for audience persona creation? Let's say yes. Do you use AI for content topic discovery? Let's say partially. Do you use AI for keyword research? Let's say partially. Do you use AI for sentiment analysis? Let's say no. Do you use AI for channel selection? Let's say partially. Do you use AI for media planning? Let's say partially. Do you use AI for campaign ROI forecasting? Let's say no. Do you use AI for ad format recommendation? Let's say yes, completely. Do you use AI for audience overlap analysis? Let's say no. Do you use AI for ad copy ideas? Let's say yes. Do you use AI to rephrase ad copy? Let's say yes, 2. Do you use AI for image variations? Let's say partially. Do you use AI for video scripts? Let's say yes. Do you use AI for voiceovers? No. Do you use personalized creatives with AI? Let's say no. Do you use AI for blog drafts? Let's say partially. Do you use AI for SEO content briefs? Let's say yes. Do you use AI for email subject lines? Let's say yes. Do you use AI for email template design? Partially. Do you use AI for automated email flows? No. Do you use AI for email segmentation? No. Do you use AI for smart bidding? Let's say yes. Do you use AI for targeting optimization? Yes. Do you use AI for pausing underperforming ads? Yes. Do you use AI for budget pricing? Yes. Do you use AI for A/B test recommendations? Let's say no. Do you use AI for automated reports? Let's say partially. Do you use AI for optimization suggestions? Basically, you have to go through these examples to understand if you're not sure about something. Do you use AI for attribution modeling? Let's say partially. Do you use AI for anomaly detection? No. Do you use AI for creative effectiveness? Let's say partially. Have you created AI agents for repetitive tasks? No. Do you have agents for competitor monitoring? Let's say no. Do you have agents for social replies? Let's say yes. Do you have agents for report generation? Let's say partially. Now, you will have to basically go through all of these sections, but I don't want to go through this. You can try it on your own. So basically, once you're done with all this, you have to click on calculate score. Now it's going to tell you, for example, this is basically nascent, emerging, or up to the mark. In overall, your score is 48%. That's your readiness. So you're only 48%. You have to aim to be 70 within the next few months. Your overall score is 42. Leadership and vision, because we did not answer any questions. So not any. Any sections you will not answer, you'll have not applicable. And when it comes to talent and skills, our score is 43. When it comes to AI in digital marketing operations, our score is 49. So there needs to be certain improvement. Now it will show you what are the recommendation actions to basically improve your score. So for example, your current stage is emerging, which is below 50%. Now what you have to do is basically integrate data sources, CRM, ads, analytics for unified reporting, adopt AI for media planning and budget, introduce automated email flows with AI driven segments, start creative automation, copy rephrasing, document SOPs and whatever. Focus areas by dimension, talent and skills, run quarterly AI trainings, add AI literacy to reviews, AI in digital marketing operations, adopt AI for copy or whatever. Now, this might look like, okay, yeah, these are the suggestions, but Basically, this helps you to create a plan. So what we used to do basically is you take these, you say, okay, yeah, this one and this one looks something we can do in next 3 months. Create a project with your management, with the business owner or with your client, whatever, and say, these are the 4 action items. Because when you fill all of these sections here, you will get a lot of recommendations. So from choose, let's say, for example, 1 from each of them, okay, 2 from the operations side. And you say, these are the 5 things and our deadline is next quarter. This is our next quarter target for AI readiness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 projects. And this is the deadline. These are the owners. I actually have something, but you can create your own. I mean, you don't have to buy. I'm not asking you to buy it. I have something like digital marketing project tracker template where I basically have all these details. And there is this video where I explain. You don't have to buy this template, but you can watch this video to basically understand how to create this project, to manage this project. I'll link the video in the description below. And what you can do is once you have this complete report, you fill all these sections, you can click on export and you will have all this. For example, AI marketing maturity benchmark. You will have in each of these sections what is your score and what are the recommendations, and these are the full responses to all your questions. What was the question and what was your answer, and you basically have to save it. So I'll save it, let's say for example here, I'll save it on desktop, I'll call it AI report, whatever. So that's about how to use this tool. Now I'll show you how to get a very extensive roadmap or plan based on what you have selected here. And the second thing, how to basically use this tool and how to get this tool. So basically to use this tool, I'll put a link in the description where you can download 2 things. One is this particular file, which is AI maturity, whatever, I'm not sure about, I think this is the file. So you can download this file completely and save it on your desktop. Once you click on this, it will automatically open this tool in your Chrome browser. It does not need internet. It does not need any kind, it is not using any kind of APIs. It's basically a standalone tool. You download it, save it on your desktop or whatever. It's a .html file. You click on it, it'll open in your browser. If you face any issues, try to open it in Google Chrome. That's where it'll most probably work in all cases. The third thing is the most important. Once you have this report, what I want you to do is go to ChatGPT or any of the tool and say, this is the report from my AI readiness benchmarking report. Analyze the answers and give recommendations and project plan to increase the score. Ignore questions where I have answered not applicable. And if you see, we already have kind of a plan. It says current snapshot. This is your score. This is talent and skills. This is AI in digital marketing operations, because these are the only 2 dimensions we filled. Because not yet benchmarked others. So it's saying these are your strengths, these are your gaps. For example, no in-house AI specialist, AI not embedded in performance marketing, and then it'll tell you recommendations for each. For example, talent and skill, establish AI center of excellence, nominate 1 to 2 leads internally. See, it's giving you actionable things, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is next 3 months, we need to have 2 nominees in our team. Build a shared knowledge hub with prompt libraries, best practices and workflows, formalize training, quarterly mandatory workshops, introduce incentives. It's giving you like how to basically promote this within your team, evaluate AI adoption. Within marketing operations, saying deepen use cases, expand from ideation to performance-based optimization. These things, AI-powered personalization, dynamic ad variations per persona, AI agents for scale, computer monitoring agents, social reply to bots, and then it's giving you a project plan for 6 to 12 months. Foundation, first 2 months, set up this. Expand use cases 3 to 6 months, this. And then you can change. You can say, okay, I want to achieve all this in just 3 months. Basically, each of these action items will be a project. It will have an owner, it will have a deadline, and once you have that project, you do it for 3 months, 6 months, come back, evaluate again, and see if your future readiness or AI readiness is working. To be honest with you, in our agency, we will have a dedicated person who will just work on this. This is his full-time job, because we know how serious it is and how impactful this can be. And that's all for this video. I hope this is helpful and gives you kind of direction. Honestly, that's the main aim of this video. And thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.